Hey guys, Tabitha Sherman here. So today for my gameplay, I'm going to be doing the game TaleSpin. For obvious reasons, I liked the game itself, and it also includes the T and S in my name. This was designed by the company Capcom in 1991 by two different developers, Scott Etherton and Paul Gadbos. Hope I'm saying that right. So there was three different versions of this game made. So it was made for the Mega Drive / Genesis, the TurboGrafx X16, and finally the Game Gear. An interesting fact about this game is that, like a lot of games today, it was based off of a Disney movie / TV show. So I think that's super cool that games are being based off of Disney stuff all the way back then. You know, now there's like Frozen and all that stuff being made in video games. So let's go ahead and get the game started. Little theme song to start. We're just going to obviously be doing one player. And you can choose between Blue and Kit. I prefer the little guy, Kit. So it starts going into this backstory of this conversation between all some of the main characters in the TV series. This goes on for quite a long time, if I'm being honest. So I'll let it play for a second just so you guys can get the idea of it. But just to save a little bit of time, I'm going to go ahead and skip through some of this. So the main point of the game is you're trying to cross this river, swamp, jungle without dying by, the snakes or whatnot. You can see your little life bars at the bottom. So to move around, you of course use the left and right arrow to go back and forth, the X to shoot, and then C to jump. So to move along, I'm going to press the right arrow and C to jump at the same time, and then shoot with X. Shoot, oh! But I'm still alive. So when you get under here, it's no big deal. You should definitely try to get out from under here, but you're not dead. So we can swim around here. I got some crabs with me. Try to jump up this ledge. But yeah, that's pretty much the game. At this point, I would basically just swim around until I could get him out of there. He's like struggling. But I would basically just be swimming around until I could get back onto the surface. Oh, there I go. I guess I didn't do it in time. So yeah, it just started me over again. So yeah, that's pretty much the main points of the game. Some things I like about it is once you get underwater, it's very difficult to find a way to get out. That's obviously why I died and just kind of like let the game stop there. But if you get over the bridges and you make it far enough, the game itself is pretty easy. I mean, you're basically just shooting the snakes, jumping across the rivers. Sometimes it'll even let you swim like on top of the surface and you don't have to sink down, so that's really nice. But once you sink under the water on that bridge, I prefer just to start over. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna end on another little cool fact. I think we all grew up playing Game Boys, so this was actually also available on the Game Boy. I think that's super cool, so I can totally see how this would be like a super fun little like car road trip game. Let's see if I can get over this stupid river. Yeah, there we go. See, once you cross like that, game is a lot more straightforward. Just jump over this guy so I don't die. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll stop there and play a little in my free time, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about TaleSpin, and have a good one. Bye.